Lustre. What do you mean by lustre?
Means if it's shiny or not.
The property, the shining property of any material. Okay, especially I have given you the best thing like metals because they generally wear metals like gold, you know, in the form of ornaments or in the form of any regular use, we wear gold. Am I right? So in that consideration, why we select there are different metals. There are different metals. Why we only select gold? Almost all the metals are gray in color. All the metals are gray in color, but there are some exceptions. Gold and copper. Gold is yellowish in color, and copper is brown in color, reddish brown in color. Understood? But almost all the metals are gray in color. Okay. So when we go to the shining or lustrous property, definitely we give the example with the gold. Why? 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 Because gold is a noble metal. Gold is a noble metal. And it is having lustrous property. All the metals, most of the metals have lustrous property. And it is a noble metal. The best what a point we can give is nothing but gold is a noble metal. What do you mean by noble metal? Noble in the sense? Noble in the sense? Unreactive. Unreactive metal. So daily we wear gold ornaments daily. They can't. We don't observe that the gold is losing its shiny or lustrous property because it won't react with atmospheric oxygen and moisture. But when we consider iron, iron is highly reactive. It will undergo corrosion, and it reacts with the atmospheric oxygen and the moisture. And it loses its properties, shining properties. It converts into separate product, and it loses its lifespan also. But gold, to many ages, we can continue with the gold ornaments. Noble means simply we can say unique, precious. They're unique. Simply we can say that unique because that doesn't react. Noble gases means they won't react with other gases or within the same elements. Like helium, neon, unique, precious. Yes. That doesn't react. They'll be like noble. But who will get Nobel Prize, children? Who will get Nobel Prize, children? The person is unique if he is having very good features, very good talents. The person is very much identical, unique, and is very much precious. Unique person. So once you set a goal, or he or she, once they set a goal, they'll stick to that goal. And they'll focus completely on it, and they'll achieve it. And the achievement is unique. No other person is commonly achieved that achievement, commonly reached to that achievement. In that consideration, he considered as a noble. He will get Nobel Prize and he considered as noble person. Understood? Noble metals are very precious. They won't react. The property will retain like that. Gold won't react with anything. Even it's having the melting and boiling point of the gold also, if you consider it, high. But normal metals, they're like, if you see that, if we can't wear iron chain here. If we wear iron chain, we need to anodize it. What do you mean by anodization? Plating, electroplating. That's why the outer surface is completely electroplated. It won't react with oxygen and water. Then if we consider as it is it requires anodizing. But gold doesn't require any anodizing. Though we are using the gold for ages. even the property doesn't go. That's what is called as noble metals. What are the noble metals in general? Gold, copper, platinum. Yeah, definitely. Obvious. Obvious. Which is much costlier, tell me? Fake one or electroplated one or pure? Electroplated one or pure? Pure. Pure in the sense? Pure in the sense? No other atoms are present. They doesn't leave their property. They'll sustain like that. Okay. Yes, there is no mixed metals or mixed things. They consider as pure.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, it's not a compound.
Compound is also pure, dear. I explained it here. Compound is also
Compound is, ma'am, but yeah, so compound is pure because it's in a fixed proportion, but mixture
compound is having fixed proportion. Compound is having fixed proportion. That's why it is considered as pure. When we go, 1 minute, Pamika. Let me complete so that you can. When we go with mixers, I want to prepare a lemonade. So how I prepare a lemonade? According to the person, how many person I need to share, serve. And according to the flavor, I'll add the sugar and everything. And even the lemon extract also. And then I need to prepare it. Is that the proportion is fixed for all the time? No. It's just a simple mixture. And their properties also retained. They doesn't show any different properties. When we consider compound needs to have a fixed proportion. For example, water. So there are many hydrogen elements are present. Hydrogen atoms are present around it. But to form water naturally, it takes only 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen only. And remaining hydrogens combined with 1 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Remaining oxygens 1 combined with 2 hydrogens. Understood? Their proportions are fixed. They're constant. They doesn't change. But as we change according to the time. Am I right? If I'm very much hated about one particular child in the class, like if I'm a child, I'm not talking about teacher, like you, if you are very much close to each other at one particular time, but there will be some differences so that our ideas and our thoughts will change. And after again some days, after days pass, after times, what will think? Okay, she's good. Whatever she has done, let me forgive her. So again, I want to make her a friendship because I'm missing her bonding. Understood or not? So I want to. Diamond is not noble child. Diamond is made up of carbon. Diamond is non-metal. We are talking about only noble metals. Diamond won't consider metal. Diamond is nothing but allotropic form of carbon. Diamond is non-metal. Neha. There you have given noble metal, but how diamond comes under metal? Diamond is non-metal. It is an allotropic form of carbon. Understood? Carbon allotrope forms. Allotropic is having same properties. So, graphite and diamond. So, if you want to learn the properties of diamond, the properties of diamond is exactly similar with carbon. But only the thing is change, difference in melting point, difference in structure. That's it. Same here. But the entire properties of carbon are the examples. We can give the entire properties of carbon to graphite and diamond. Only the difference we can find is difference between the melting point and difference in NSO structure. So
I didn't understand what you have wrote after carbon.
yes, carbon is a non-metal.
No, after carbon you have written something like A starting with
Allotrophic forms. Allotrophic forms.
what does it mean?
It means that they are the forms of carbon. So whatever the properties of carbon exactly it implies on the diamond and graphite. No difference. Diamond means carbon, carbon means diamond.
Ma'am, then what about something else written with G, graph, something like that? You have written there.
Graphite.
Graphite means what does it?
Graphite is also a kind of carbon which is used in lubricant pencil leads. Have you seen pencil leads? Pencil leads.
Yeah, ma'am, I have seen.
Pencil leads is nothing but carbon, no? Carbon is graphite. Graphite is also used in lubricants in the automobiles for frictionless flow of machines. In automobile field, they'll give lubricants. Especially we'll see in the advertisements also. Ads, lubricants. So lubricants, what it will do? It will reduce the friction between the machines for the free flow. Understood? So both are nothing but carbon only. Diamond means carbon, carbon means diamond. So diamond is non-metal. It doesn't come under noble metal. Okay. What you have given like platinum, silver, gold and copper. Copper also considered as noble metal only. Okay. But diamond is not considered as metal here. Yeah, I think is it clear? So you know now, by lustrous property, by going with the lustrous property, yes, we can sort out the things. If they are shiny and very much, we consider that all these are shiny ones and all these. When you go with the textile showroom or the textile shop or the mall, so definitely why we attract to the silk products, silk cloths, because they are very shiny and cotton ones are separated completely. So if we are fond of going with the cotton or khadi, definitely we'll go towards that. But the people very much, especially the girls, very much fond of going with the what we can say shiny in the sense it's not an odd thing. Shiny means it looks special. Am I right? That's why the occasions, especially when we go to the occasions or when we go to the any celebrations or festivals, definitely we'll go with silk rather than going with cotton. Yes or no? Yeah. So by using this lustrous property also we can sort the things, we can sort out the materials into different groups. And this is also one of the criteria or the property which we can. Yeah. Any doubts? Shall I move ahead? Kanchipuram silk saree is attracted by everyone. Yes, silk is very precious. Even I am very much fond of getting silk. Yeah. Neha, you are wonderful in knowledge of textiles. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think so. Neha said that she's from Kerala. So, ma'am, I think it's a type of sari from Kerala only.
Kanchipuram is that it's a border of like Tamil Nadu or Kerala?
Ma'am, Kerala. She told us Kerala in class that she's from Kerala. Ma'am, actually, it is a name of a saree and Kanchipuram. In here in Kerala, brides are wearing these types of saree for wedding.
Yeah. Even here also. Even south side completely we go with silk only. Even I'm very much fond of silk. Good thought. It's not like discussing about the sarees. We are discussing about the lustrous property. But we are integrating the concept with the general examples. Am I right? So that you can easily sort out the concept. Yeah? difficult.